this time, to welcome and introduce a man of integrity in our midst.
Ojugoba.
A man that has touched lives all over the world. Who happened to be my very good friend? My brothers and sisters, it is my honor for me to bring him. So bring out all the Joe City members out here. A club of togetherness, a club that continues to recognize the mother. It is my honor, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to bring out here our leader, our chairman, our president, integrity, Chief Prince Okonkwo S. Ebubedike. We had a meeting at Gunway. Thank you very much. Once you are a member of City, your blood pressure is already 120 over 8. And once you are a member of City, poverty is eradicated from you. Am I right or wrong? Let me introduce all my major executives this night. My chair, welcome my VC, Oyetiboleze. Yes, I had to discriminate. Close to working on one. We don't discriminate. Oyetiboleze. Oyetiboleze. Wanda Mayor. Onichado. Konaka. Yes. I am a protocol. So because all of my secretaries. Honorable Yababo. Nayelugo, my able secretary, please. My assistant, the latest doctor goes to in the house. McBee, Dr. McBee. Laura, Avoka, Abelfra, Financial Secretary, goes. I want to make that now. Yes, my provost, Adoma Chief Ifeanyi Okeke-Ichie and the assistant, Lady Edith Okoye, Ijelewanyi, Ezeonwa assistant, Ilego Ọmọ, Comrade Henry Digega, the tallest man the close sitting well. What I hear is a person to now consider Monday. You do not go ever know. What I hear is now consider on Monday. As I know, yes, all the members of Gold City, my honorables and ladies, we need you on the floor. Be good. Our emeritus, because our emeritus and our first lady, I need to give Oba, sorry, Okoye, as Oba and lady, Odugo Oba, what I know, everything was done over my family, but done over 1 to 1. However, because our emeritus, I need you here. God, I can't give you. He is the man that made Gold City what it is today. Konaka. Yes. That's all about. I can read. Because all the members of Gold City, both here, home, and abroad, because I need you to hear DJ. DJ. Our national vice president, honor the miss, Chekwas Maduka, Chekwas Rokwe. He is our national vice. Because Mama Nyaka, he is the Gezi Agota. But Corona came up. I don't come back home. Chedu, you know that the hour. What can I have in there to before? After all, we need you here. She is still single and fashion. Yes. So she's open. I get a phone one, Yes. DJ. That's how we do it. Yes, I make a know. Thank you. Because, like I said, at the occasion, ụmụaka anyị ndị gụsịrị akwụkwọ, ụmụ nwoke anyị na ụmụ nwaanyị anyị, biko na enwere phone number na wee na-adaba. ọ bụrụ ndị Liberia ka anyị na-ahụ ụlọ nwa, ọ bụrụ ndị Ghana ka anyị na-ahụ ụlọ nwa. Biko mingle and mingle. Ekele m unu.